In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators in Wix. This process is straightforward and a great way to manage your site's collaborations without sharing your account credentials. First and foremost, you'll need to open the Wix editor or Wix Studio using the Chrome browser. Wix is optimized to work smoothly with Chrome, so this will ensure you have the best possible experience with no unexpected hiccups. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already accustomed to it. Next, you will want to locate your profile icon. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu packed with different options. For our purposes, go ahead and select Invite People. This option is your gateway to sharing access with anyone you want to help manage your site. With the invite dialog open, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Whether it's a colleague, a client, or a collaborator, entering their email will allow you to specify their role on your site. It's important to double check the email address for any typos to ensure your invitation reaches the right person without any delays. Moving on, it's time to assign permissions to this individual. Wix offers a few roles to choose from, each tailored to different responsibilities. You can give them admin permission, which is the most comprehensive level of access, granting them nearly full control over your site, apart from account settings. Alternatively, you might choose editor permission if you want them to help with site design and content without touching the more sensitive settings. And if their role is more financial, then billing permission would allow them to manage the billing details without any design access. After selecting the appropriate permission, you just need to send the invitation. A simple click will ensure the invitation is emailed to the designated person, complete with instructions on how they can access your site. It's a good idea to inform them that they should check both their inbox and spam folder, just in case. Once the invitation is sent, your part of the process is mostly complete. The invited person will simply need to accept the invite from their email. After they've done that, they can instantly jump in and begin editing, designing, or managing the site as per the permissions you've granted. It's a seamless way to collaborate without the hassle of traditional file sharing or cumbersome login credentials. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can collaborate effectively and efficiently using Wix. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating!